Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we are going to focus on prompting. I'm going to share with you kung ano yung mga dapat ninyong i-consider when creating a prompt. Ano ba yung best practice and when do you need to create your own custom prompt. So let's answer this question. When do you need to create your own custom prompt? So number one is when the prompt is not available in the templates. So, in the previous video, pinakita ko yung section kung saan nyo makikita yung mga templates ng mga prompts na ginawa ng ibang Clay users na pwede mo rin magamit. And if in the event na hindi available yung prompt na kailangan mo, you have to create your own one. Okay? So, what are the things to consider naman? So, things to consider when creating a prompt, you have to make sure to provide clear and specific details. So, when writing a prompt, you have to make sure na clear yung details, very specific, as if you are giving instructions to 5-year-old child. Dapat super detailed. Otherwise, hindi magiging maayos yung output mo or hindi mo ma-achieve yung desired output. Okay? So, that's number one. And then, number two is you can also use AI to build or refine prompt for you. Actually, we can put this as a best practice pala. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. So, when do you need to create your own custom prompt? Kapag hindi available, things to consider. Make sure to provide clear and specific details when creating a prompt. Best practices, you can also use AI or chat GPT to build or refine prompt for you. Okay. So, now that we know yung mga dapat natin i-consider, best practices, bakit natin to dapat gawin, we will create our own prompt. Okay? So, this is a sample list that I have. Ito din yung ginamit ko dun sa mga previous videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another enrichment using ClayGen. So instead of selecting prompts here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write my own prompt dito sa section na to. So what I would like to achieve here is that I would like to have AI write a personalized message based on the information or data na available sa website ng mga prospects na to. So I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to write this based on the okay, write a short custom compliment about the product or service of the company. Okay, keep it short and under 15 words only. Start with I love that. So what we're telling AI to do here is that it needs to write a short custom compliment about dun sa product or service of the company na makikita niya dito sa website or sa domain. And then, AI has to keep it short. Maiksi lang yung custom compliment and under 15 words only. And then start with the word I love that. Okay? So, yun yung gusto natin i-execute na command. Okay? So, this is our prompt and as you see, hindi pa siya fully refined or medyo kulang pa yung details. So, what we're going to do is we will also be using AI or ChatGPT para ma-refine itong prompt na meron tayo. So, what you need to do is just to head over ChatGPT and dito natin gagawin yung uh, refinement ng prompt na meron tayo. So, to do that, you just have to give this command. Okay, so act as a ChatGPT prompt expert. I need your help in creating a prompt that I will be using on Clay to create personalized uh, create custom complement for my emails. Here's a sample prompt that I wrote. Okay, so we're gonna feed itong prompt na kinrate natin. Okay, so if you're wondering kung saan pala nanggaling itong ito na akong readily available na prompt. So pwede mo rin yan gamitin para mas ma-refine mo pa yung prompt mo. So, ayan. Ayusin lang natin to based on the company website. Ayan. Write a short custom complement. Add more details that you think is so what we're doing here is that we're asking ChatGPT to act as a prompt expert. So parang pinoprogram natin siya to act like this. And then we're asking for ChatGPT's help to create a prompt, a new prompt for us. And ito yung sample prompt na nasulat natin. So what we're gonna do next is i-enter natin to and let's see kung ano yung bibigay sa atin na output ni ChatGPT. Okay? Alright, so hindi niya tayo binigyan ng mas detailed na output. So this is what we're going to write. So can you add specific commands as to which page in the website okay. So, as you see here, hindi masyadong nagkaroon ng significant change on our prompt. So, we're being asked by ChatGPT if we need further adjustment or additional elements. So, sabihin natin, try natin to. Yes, additional elements, please. Okay. Yan. So, it's not the best, but as you see here, naglagay si ChatGPT ng command na ensure that the complement is unique and relevant to the company's core offerings. So, pwede din natin ilagay na add can you add in the prompt to make sure not to sound as if pwede mo pang i-ask si ChatGPT to continue to add more elements like for example, please add not to sound like an AI. Okay. Yun. So, we have our prompt na. And what we're going to do is we are going to test this. So, hindi ko pa siya nagawa prior to this video. So, it's the first time that I'm gonna be using this prompt. Yung prompt na ginawa natin. And I don't know if it's going to provide a really good output, but let's see, no? So, and about the company, keep it short, start with I love that. Okay, ensure that the company, alright, okay, sige. So, we have our prompt na, plan settings, so use AI. So, hindi natin siya i-run kapag hindi available yung email. Is empty. Generate formula, okay. Oops, nawala. Okay. So, save and don't run natin. Then try natin sa isang row. Okay. Or let's make it for two leads. Okay. So, ayan. So, naka-queue siya. And tignan natin kung ano yung magiging output nito. Okay. Okay. So, this is our custom complement. I love that for your space connects clients, consultant, and contractors in real time. Not bad. Okay. Tapos, I love that light RFF. And then the next one, I love that light RFP saves time by centralizing and automating the RFP process. Pwede. Okay? So, you can do that for, and then let's check the second one. So, the second one is, I love that light RFP saves time by centralizing and automating the RFP process. Pwede. So, if you're not satisfied with the output, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to keep refining yung prompt mo. You can add more elements, like you can ask AI to add great job or end with congratulations, yung mismong sentence. So, pwede mo yun ipagawa para mas ma-refine pa yung output mo. And take note na yung output na makukuha mo will be based kung gaano kaganda ba yung input na ginawa mo. So, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to explain clearly kung paano magsulat ng prompt and kung paano mo magagamit yung ChatGPT to refine a prompt na pwede mong gamitin sa Clay. So, kung meron kang questions, message mo lang ako sa Slack, or viewing this video outside my organization or my community, just feel free to comment down below and I'll make sure to answer it. Cheers.